Welcome to a world of untapped business opportunities ripe for the picking. We're about to embark on a journey to discover 17 low-competition niche service business ideas that are just waiting to be explored. Each of these ideas has high search volume, but low competition, making them ideal for those ready to dive into the entrepreneurial pool. The best part? You don't have to do the heavy lifting of market research. We've used a suite of paid research tools to analyze the market for you, ensuring each idea is backed by data and ripe with potential. These ideas are not just plucked out of thin air, but carefully curated through rigorous analysis, ensuring they have high demand and minimal competition. So buckle up, as we're about to unveil a goldmine of business opportunities that could very well be your ticket to entrepreneurial success. Stay tuned as we unveil 17 promising business ideas with high demand and minimal competition. Kicking off our list with number 1, fall-proofing services for seniors. As our population ages, the demand for services that cater to their safety and comfort increases. Fall-proofing services for seniors specifically address this need by making homes safer. This business idea involves the strategic installation of features like grab bars and ramps in homes, reducing the risk of falls and accidents. By providing this service, you're not only running a business, but also contributing to a safer environment for our elders. Moving on to the second business idea, baby-proofing homes. This is another safety-focused service, but this one is for the littlest members of our society. New parents, especially first-timers, can be overwhelmed by the need to secure their homes for their newly mobile babies. This is where a baby-proofing service comes in. By installing safety gates, securing furniture, and identifying potential hazards, you can help create a safe and worry-free environment for both the children and their parents. And now, we shift gears to a completely different industry with our third business idea, Bulldozer Rentals. This business caters to the ever-growing construction industry. The demand for heavy machinery like bulldozers is high in this field, but not every project or company has the budget or the necessity to own one. That's where a bulldozer rental service steps in. By providing these much-needed machines on a rental basis, you could find yourself with a business that promises high returns. These initial ideas cater to a wide range of needs, from the aging population to the construction industry. Each business idea provides a unique value, addressing specific market gaps with minimal competition. And remember, these are just the first 3 of our 17 low-competition niche service business ideas. Stay tuned for more, and let's continue our journey to find the perfect business opportunity for you. Continuing our exploration with number 4, stump removal services. This is a niche within the landscaping industry. When trees are cut down, they often leave behind stumps that can be hazardous, unsightly, and difficult to remove. By specializing in stump removal, you can fill this gap and offer a valuable service to both homeowners and businesses alike. Moving on to idea number 5, bedbug removal. This is a service that is necessary but often overlooked. Bedbugs are a growing problem in many areas, and their removal requires specialized knowledge and equipment. By providing this service, you can help individuals and families reclaim their living spaces and rest easy. Next up, at number 6, we have at-home nursing services. This business idea is all about offering personalized medical care in the comfort of the patient's home. It's a great way for nurses to gain more independence and fill a gap in the market. With a growing elderly population and an increased desire for at-home care, this service has a lot of potential for growth. Last in this section, but certainly not least, is idea number 7, concrete removal services. This is a labor-intensive task required in many construction and renovation projects. By specializing in concrete removal, you can provide a crucial service to the construction industry and ensure a steady stream of work. These ideas provide specialized services in industries often overlooked. They cater to specific needs and solve unique problems, making them less competitive yet high in demand. Each one offers an opportunity to establish a thriving business in a niche market. Remember, the key to success in these areas is to understand the needs of your customers and provide exceptional service. But don't stop here. Keep watching to discover even more low-competition, high-demand business ideas in our next segment. And don't forget, Our comprehensive startup planner is available in the video description to help you turn these niche ideas into successful businesses. Let's dive further in with number 8, mobile pet grooming. This business idea brings a much-needed service right to pet owners' doorsteps. With a mobile pet grooming business, you can offer a range of services, from basic grooming and nail trimming to more specialized offerings like de-shedding treatments and pet massages. The convenience of in-home service can be a huge selling point for busy pet owners or those with larger pets who find transportation to a grooming facility challenging. Moving on to number 9, mobile car mechanic services. Imagine a mechanic coming to your location to fix your car. It's not only convenient, but can be a lifesaver for those stranded with a broken down vehicle. From oil changes to brake repairs, your mobile mechanic business can offer a wide range of services, saving your customers the hassle of taking their car to a garage. Next up, number 10, home energy auditor. As more households become conscious of their energy usage and its impact on the environment, the demand for home energy auditors is on the rise. As a home energy auditor, you would assess a home's energy usage and propose solutions to optimize efficiency. This could include suggesting energy-saving appliances, insulation improvements, or renewable energy options. And lastly, for this segment, we have number 11, elevator repair services. Buildings with elevators need ongoing maintenance and occasional repairs, and that's where an elevator repair service comes in. This business would primarily cater to commercial clients like office buildings, apartment complexes, and shopping centers. With the right technical skills and certification, this could be a highly profitable venture. These business ideas bring convenience and specialized services right to the customer's doorstep. Each of these ideas not only meets a specific need, but also delivers the service in an accessible and convenient way, adding value to the customer experience. Moving along to number 12, mattress cleaning. Most homeowners don't often think about deep cleaning their mattresses. This is where you come in. A mattress cleaning service focuses on removing dust mites, stains, and odors from one of the most used items in a household. The service is not only beneficial to the homeowner's health, but also extends the lifespan of their mattress. On to the 13th idea, generator installation. With power outages becoming more common due to extreme weather conditions, the demand for generator installation is on the rise. This business caters to a niche market, providing peace of mind to households and businesses alike. As an electrician, specializing in generator installation can set you apart from the competition. Next up, number 14, Oriental rug cleaning. Oriental rugs are high-value items that require careful maintenance. Specializing in this niche service means you'll be handling delicate and often expensive pieces, requiring a unique set of skills and knowledge. The market is ripe for experts who can clean and preserve these beautiful works of art while maintaining their value and integrity. Finally, we have number 15, tent rentals. Tents are a staple for outdoor events, from weddings to corporate retreats. Specializing in tent rentals means you'll be catering to a wide variety of events and occasions. With the right inventory and a knack for customer service, this business can be a lucrative endeavor. These ideas tap into niche markets, providing services that are often overlooked but greatly needed. They are unique, have high search volumes, and face low competition. By choosing to venture into these niche service businesses, you're not only filling a gap in the market, but also setting yourself up for success. Remember, it's not about offering what everyone else does, but about finding a need and filling it better than anyone else could. And that's where true entrepreneurial success lies. Finally, we reach the end of our list with number 16, home meditation instructor. This idea taps into the growing wellness industry. More and more people are seeking peace and balance in their lives, and what better way to achieve this than through meditation? As a home meditation instructor, you'll be offering personalized meditation instruction right in the comfort of the client's homes. With a focus on mindfulness and relaxation techniques, this service could be a lifesaver in our fast-paced, high-stress world. Now on to our last business idea. Number 17, generator installation. This is a niche market that offers long-term contract potential. With increasing power outages and a growing reliance on technology, households and businesses alike are recognizing the need for reliable backup power. By focusing on generator installation, you're providing a vital service that keeps lights on and devices running when the power grid fails. Plus, with regular maintenance contracts, this could be a business with steady, recurring revenue. And there you have it, 17 low-competition niche service business ideas, each backed by thorough market analysis to ensure high demand and minimal competition. But don't worry, we're not leaving you to figure out the next steps on your own. Check out the comprehensive startup planner in the video description. This planner is a step-by-step guide to transforming these niche ideas into successful businesses. It's a detailed roadmap that takes you from idea to implementation, giving you the tools you need to launch your own niche service business. Remember, these are just ideas. The real magic happens when you take an idea and mold it to fit your unique skills, passions, and market needs. So take these ideas, run with them, tweak them, make them your own. And if you found this content valuable, don't forget to subscribe. We're always sharing unique business insights and strategies to help you succeed. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Let's make your business dreams a reality.